I gotta get him in. I gotta get him in this car,
We
boss.
gotta hit to the store real quick, brother. Let me ask you a question. So when you ask me something, right? Like you say, can I take a selfie? And then I say, not right now, and you can do it anyway.
Oh, I didn't hear that.
Let me ask you though, right? Because at that point, it made me seem like you know, I'm a human, right? Just like y'all humans, right? So I was just wanted to have some
Yeah,
respect.
the Justin Bieber joint.
Because it's like, I fuck with you. I can talk to you. We can talk all night, you know. But I want you to treat me like you would want to be treated, right? Like if you was doing something, and somebody said, "Hey, can I do that?" and you said, "Nah, right now, bro." You want them to respect that, you know. You wouldn't want them to be like, you be like, "Nah, bro, nah, nah." Then they do it anyway. Then you feel like they think you a hoe. But it's love. I fuck with you. You feel me? You know, it's just.
Yeah, that's my bad.
No, it's love, bro. I just, you know, it made me feel kind of like an animal at the zoo. You know, like you throwing something at the window and shit. You feel me? You know? But it's all love, though. I fuck with y'all. I appreciate you. You feel me? Yes, sir.
I ain't gonna lie, you collect that T.